Daniel, and welcome to my bedroom. And today I have this Nappler, and it is a luxury pillow. And I've been using this for last week. And one thing I've realized, I have a Casper one. This one's a Casper one. You see, it's kind of thin, and it's actually pretty good. And I've been using this one here, thinking, oh, maybe I'll try for something thicker. But holy moly, it's thick. And so what I'm gonna do is, it comes with the ability to actually remove some of the. Here, I'll show you. I already unboxed it, but I lost my phone, so you're not going to see an unboxing per se, but I do have the box. That came in this little box here, and in there it kind of explains that, you know, first you put it in there for 15 seconds or 15 minutes in a dryer to get it fluffed, and whatever it is, it works out good. And then here it gives you the ability to, you can see, you can add foam. You can add shredded foam to make it strong, you know, whatever, thicker or thinner. And I made it super thick, so this thing here is super thick because I just left all the foam in it. But it comes with this little bag, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out a bunch of the foam and stick it in the bag. And so when you open it up, actually this is my little dust, my little allergy bag on it. So this is actually how it comes, like this. And then we'll open up this one here. See, it's a nice looking pillow, but we're gonna open it up here, and I'm gonna take out some of the foam. And so we open it up, and then in here, there's another place to open it up. And there, inside of there is the foam. So I'm gonna start taking out some of the foam. Can you see that? I'm gonna start taking out some of the foam and putting it in this little baggie here. So let's see how this process goes. And you can see it's just a bunch of little chunks of foam with some, you know, fuzzy stuff. So I'm gonna make myself like another little mini pillow here. Let's see how much I wanna get out of there. Oops. It's kinda nice. Like, this is what the stuff looks like. So it's like a memory foam that's all just shredded up with some other foam in there. Let's see. Try to do this without making too much of a mess. Let's see, how much do I got there? So I have a bag full of it here. How do you think I did? I'll take out a little bit more. And then once it's out, I'll readjust the pillow. But you can see I'm taking out huge chunks of it here, and then sticking it in this little bag. Okay, so after this will be my last handful of it. So I have taken out a big solid hunk that fills this bag. So this bag is fairly full and solid. So oops, I'll put this one back in here. And I'll just put the extra little pieces that I have in here. And actually, like now, the way it is, I've successfully done it with no mess. So everything is organized at this point. So let's see how we do this now. This isn't something you do very often, but it's kind of cool that I get to show you how it works. Okay, so there. And so if you look at the pillow now, it's very soft up here. But what I'll do is I'm gonna put this back up. And I could probably put it back in the dryer for 15 minutes or so and have it be big, but oops, I lost a piece. Put it in there. I guess I'm gonna lose a few pieces in here from this thing. Okay. But there we go. And now it's a lot thinner. So now it's probably about as thin as the Casper mattress, which is about how much I like it. So I took out this huge hunk of it here. So it's pretty nice the way it's adjustable like that, and it's all zippered and it's done. So you can see how fast it is. It takes me 2 or 3 minutes to do the adjustments of the size. And now I'll put it back into my dust bag here. And then I'll put it back into my pillowcase. Not sure if I really need the whole dust thingy, but these are allergy free. But you can see it's a nice little, and it's got the little tag on it. Yeah, I don't think this isn't down or anything. I'm allergic to down. So, but this is not. This is just foam. So here we go. So there it is, there and there. Oh, found another piece of foam. I'll probably be finding a few of these around just because they blew around while I was doing this. I was looking at the camera, not looking at what I was doing. Okay, but here we go. Back in my pillowcase. And there we go. all ready to go. So I'll be sleeping on this now. So I really like the pillow. So I like it, thumbs up. I'm gonna put a link in the description. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Thanks, bye.